Exercise number 1, tuck jump. Stand tall and explode upward into a jump, bringing your knees toward your chest. Land softly with bent knees and move directly into the next rep. Keep your core engaged throughout. Exercise number 2, plank jack. Start in a strong plank position. Jump your feet out wide and back together while keeping your hips stable. Maintain a tight core and steady pace. Exercise number 3, human flag. Grip a sturdy vertical pole with both hands and lift your body sideways off the ground. Keep your body straight and core tight while holding the position as long as possible. Exercise number 4, diamond push-up. Place your hands close together under your chest to form a diamond shape. Lower your body while keeping elbows close, then push back up with control. Exercise number 5, clap push-up. Lower into a push-up and explode upward powerfully so your hands leave the floor. Clap quickly, land softly, and continue with control. Exercise number 6, burpees. Start standing, drop into a squat, and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back, return forward, then explode upward into a jump. Keep a strong rhythm.